Start driving.
Okay, today is April 5th, and I cannot get the camera to turn off. Why is it dirty looking? Is it dirty or is it me? Okay, it's dirty. Okay, so I'm sitting here, the camera is on for the turn signal, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to actually push the button. I pushed it. The camera's still on. I'm going to push it again. It's still on. I do not have a blinker on. There's a blinker. There's a blinker. Okay, no blinker. Camera's still on. Come over here. Push the button again. Camera's still on. I'm going to drive now. Turn the radio down here. I'm going to drive. I'm going to touch the button again. Pushed it. Camera's still on. Now, I'm going to have to stop. I'm going to have to turn the car off. Throw it in park. Start. The camera's still on. It says power on. Turn the car on. And now the camera finally probably will go off. I'm so sick of this car. There, the camera went off.